Namaste. Hello fellow yogis. Welcome to Chotu Veda channel. Today we will discuss the Patanjali Rishi, the miraculous birth of the yoga sage. Tells the extraordinary story of how Patanjali, the renowned sage and master of yoga, came into existence. This captivating tale unveils the fascinating details surrounding Patanjali birth and the unique circumstances that surround it. It is said that once Lord Vishnu was seated on Adisesha, Lord of Serpents, his coach, watching the enchanting dance of Lord Shiva. Lord Vishnu was so totally absorbed in the dance movements of Lord Shiva that his body began to vibrate to their rhythm. This vibration made him heavier and heavier, heavier and heavier, causing Adishesha to feel so uncomfortable that he was hissing for breath and was on the point of collapse. The moment the dance came to an end, Lord Vishnu's body became light again. Adishesha was surprised and asked his master the cause of these stupendous changes. The Lord explained that the grace, beauty, majesty, and grandeur of Lord Shiva's dance had created corresponding vibrations in his own body, making it heavy. Marveling at this, Adishesha professed a desire to learn to dance so as to exalt his Lord Vishnu, became thoughtful, and predicted that soon Lord Shiva would grace Adishesha to write a commentary on grammar and that he would then also be able to devote himself to perfection in the art of dance. Adishesha was overjoyed by these words and looked forward to the descent of Lord Shiva's grace. Adishesha then began to meditate to ascertain who would be his mother on earth. In meditation, he had the vision of a yogini by the name of Gonika, who was praying for a worthy son to whom she could impart her knowledge and wisdom. He at once realized that she would be a worthy mother for him and awaited an auspicious moment to become her son. Gonika, thinking that her earthly life was approaching its end, had not found a worthy son for whom she had been searching. Now, at last resort, she looked to the sun god, the living witness of God on earth, and prayed to him to fulfill her desire. She took a handful of water as a final oblation to him, closed her eyes, and meditated on the sun. As she was about to offer the water, she opened her eyes and looked at her palms. To her surprise, she saw a tiny snake moving in her palms, who soon took on a human form. This tiny male human being prostrated to Gonika and asked her to accept him as her son. This she did and named him Patanjali. Pata means falling or fallen, and Anjali is an oblation. Anjali also means hands folded in prayer. Gonika's prayer with folded hands thus bears the name Patanjali. Patanjali, the incarnation of Adisesha, Lord Vishnu's bearer, became not only the celebrated author of the Yoga Sutras but also of treatises on Ayurveda and grammar. He undertook the work of Lord Shiva's command, the Mahabhashyas, his great grammar. A classical work for the cultivation of correct language was followed by his book on Ayurveda, the science of life and health. His final work on yoga was directed towards man's mental and spiritual evolution. All classical dancers in India pay their homage to Patanjali as a great dancer. Together, Patanjali's three works deal with man's development as a whole in thought, speech, and action. His treatise on yoga is called Yoga Darshan. Darshan means vision of the soul and also mirror. The effect of yoga is to reflect the thoughts and actions of the aspirant as in mirror. Patanjali works are followed by yogis to this day in their effort to develop a refined language, a cultured body, and civilized mind. The video Patanjali Rishi. In this video, the miraculous birth of yoga sage delves into the enchanting narrative, shedding light on the extraordinary circumstances of Patanjali births and the subsequent legacy he left behind. It serves as an inspiring exploration of the origins of this revered sage and his immense contributions to the world of yoga and spiritual wisdom. As we conclude this captivating journey into the miraculous birth of Patanjali Rishi, we are left in of the divine intervention and extraordinary circumstances surrounding his arrival. Patanjali's story serves as a reminder of the profound impact an individual can have on the world through their wisdom and teachings. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting exploration of Patanjali Rishi's birth story. May his divine presence and teaching continue to guide and inspire you on your path to self discovery and spiritual growth. Stay tuned for more insightful videos and stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, may you find balance, peace, and enlightenment on your own unique journey. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you, yogis.